Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. And today, we are on the hunt for new hits and old favorites. Let's go. Okay, you guys, I'm over here in kind of the garden area that Dollar Tree usually puts out this time of year. And I'm looking at this, and you guys tell me if I'm losing my mind. Isn't this kneeling pad like 3 times larger than the previous ones? I think it's here. I'm gonna scroll up really slow so I don't mess with you guys' eyes. $1.50, but isn't this larger? Like literally 3 times larger than the previous ones. Let me know if you guys have been in your Dollar Tree and if you saw this and was like, okay, that's freaking huge, or not, or am I losing my mind? Put it in the comments. Okay, you guys, I feel like this is totally different than anything I have seen before. Look at this freaking contraption here, you guys. Let me see if I can get, I'm doing this one-handed. First and foremost, let me tell you that it's $5. So it's the solar lantern with a hook here. So I guess this is kind of the hook that sets up, and then the solar lantern kind of hangs off the edge of that. And as we can see here, it's a pretty dang good size. So interesting, like if you had like a porch area or just a pathway that you wanted to light, this might be a really cool idea. And $5, not a bad price. Let me know if you guys have seen these. Okay, you guys, I wanted to point out these super cute wind chimes. They are made out of metal, and they are dang darling. So there's this one that's kind of like the honeybee with the ombre effect. And I think these are all $1.50. And then there's this kind of sunburst pattern one. Very cute. And then I'm also seeing this ladybug pattern, which I think is dang cute. Now keep in mind, obviously as DIYers, we could hang it as is, or you could break it down into the components and then use the components in some sort of DIY project. But those are really freaking cute. Somebody call my girl Joy from Joyful Designs, because guess what I just found? This is in the garden kind of section. I found some garden jute twine, but look at the color. It's green. I don't know that I've ever seen that before. And you get 300 feet of it. I'm guessing it's the $1.50 price. But that's so cool. I've never seen that color before. And then of course there's the regular kind of jute twine that we all know and love. But that green color is kind of crazy. Let me know if you guys have any uses for that. Okay, you guys, you know that I am attracted to the lights. And I saw this Starry Night globe light here, and I'm trying to figure out what the heck's going on. Dollar Tree keeps coming out with the lights, you guys. So okay, so it changes colors, 7 cycles through the colors. Super cool. And it looks like it's just over here at the $1.50 level. So let me know if you guys have picked this up. Oh my goodness, you guys, you know how I like to do it. I gotta stop by the electronic area, but check this out. There's a Spectrum light tower set, USB powered. Look at this. And it's super cute. It comes with this delicious little, what is that? A remote so that you guys can change colors. I love every last piece of this. And this is at the $5 price. So if you're a person like me who likes to do different things with your light, or you're a content creator and you want to kind of add a little something to your live streams, definitely something to consider at the $5 price. You better come and get me. Look at this, you guys. It's a sleeve for your remote, and it glows in the dark. And it looks like it's designed to fit kind of a Roku remote. I love that. And so it comes in this kind of neon green color. This neon, or just kind of, actually it's a little bit of a relaxed baby blue color. And then it comes in this pink color. What an awesome idea. I love that. And I think that these are at the $1.50 price. So let me know if you guys have tried this, if you've got it on your remote right now, or if you'd be picking it up. Okay, you guys, I'm just pointing this out because I honestly don't know that I've ever seen anything this size or this color here. And this is in the kind of hardware section, multi-purpose film tape. It's got a different texture, you guys, than regular like duct tape, and it's freaking huge. It's like 60 yards, and to my knowledge, it's $1.50, and it's coming in this green color, and it's coming in this, let me get my hands together here, y'all. This yellow color here. Now, when I think about DIYs, I do sometimes use tape, And I like these colors because I think this green and this yellow are perfect for summer and spring. And I think we could wind up using this in a different kind of way. Let me know if you guys have ideas about how we could DIY with that. Okay, so you guys know I gotta go everywhere in the Dollar Tree, including the party section, and check out this. Now I think it's similar to that metallic curtain that we picked up. I don't even know, it was like 6 or 7 months ago. But look at the colors of this, and look at all the material you get. It's 78 by 39 pretty much. And I feel like there's a lot of cool stuff that you can do for spring, breaking this down into its components. So I love that. And I think, what is this? I think it's $1.25. That's what we're going with. Oh, that's super cool. Look at these confetti balloons. Let me see if I can pull this off. We can actually, okay, so it's got the little confetti in it. For whatever reason, as many times as I've seen balloons over here, I don't know that I've seen these. And it looks like you get 2 relatively large 12-inch diameter balloons for the $1.25. I love that. Let's see what else we can find. Also in the party section, check this out, because I don't know about you guys, but birthday season is definitely coming up for me, my friends, and my family. But check out this centerpiece. This happy birthday kind of pop-up large centerpiece. Let me lift it out so we can turn it around and see what's what. Okay, so it's a cardboard centerpiece, and it kind of comes with all the components that we see here. And it looks like it's only $1.25. So considering, I actually think that's a pretty good deal. But you guys let me know if you think it's a good deal. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I'm over here in the school section, and I came across this super cool sticker pack. It's $1.25, and it comes with 2 kind of puffy stickers. And I see this one. Let me see how many different types. Oh my goodness. This is cute with the llama. And that's got there's $1.25. It's interesting because this one has 2 pieces, but I guess they're relatively big. This one is also $1.25, but you get 5 pieces. Oh, super cool. Okay. And then you've got this happy birthday one, which is 4 pieces. Is that it? Oop, wait, you guys, I see one more kind. Let me pull that out. Check this out, especially with spring coming up. I love that. And that appears to be 10 pieces. Really, really crazy to me that they're all costing the $1.25, but the pieces are different. I love that. Okay, you guys, I know some people are still stuffing Easter baskets right now, and check this out, you guys. This is a shaped crayon. I have never seen this before. Have you guys seen this? It's over here in the school supply section. You get 6 different crayons. Here are the colors. But these are friggin' alligators, but they're crayons. Is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? I love every last piece of that. And these are $1.25, and I see another shape as well. So it's kind of this very kind of teardropped look with some different colors. Oh, wow. These would be so cool to get. Oh, I see one more set, you guys. Let me pull it out. Let me move this here. Check this out. So this is like a unicorn. Is that what I'm looking at? A unicorn or some sort of horse, I think. And again, these are crayons, you guys. Why is my mind just totally blown? I love that. Okay, you guys. Now over here as well, I'm looking at this. It's 36 pieces. It says it's a shaped decor sheet. And I don't know if you guys are seeing kind of the DIY potential there, but I think you could actually do quite a bit with this. And these are 36 pieces of this kind of design. Super, super cute. I don't know, but stuff is coming to me, y'all. Stuff is coming to me. Maybe I should grab some. I don't know. Let me know what you guys would do with this in terms of DIYs. Okay, you guys. So in the office supply section, oh, okay. Check this new kind of design out. So they've got, you know, they usually do a couple of pieces for a collection. And this one, I'm guessing, is like a pen holder or like, yep, it's a pencil holder. But it has this like iridescent color on it. Not sure if you guys are checking that out. And then they also have the kind of squared off box with that iridescent color. And then they also have this kind of what are we calling this? Like a sticky pad kind of holder. That's also part of that collection. I'm loving that. Let me know if that's something that you guys would throw on your desk. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.